guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. This is my second video that I'll film on the same day. I need to film as much as I can and as long as I have time. But so this is my second one. The first one is my mini saving challenges. So for today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to save $200 for the Saving Around the World 2025 12 months of saving collaboration, which I'm part of, and the rest is for group plays. For the first one, so let's get $200 first. This the last $200. Okay, it's 100, 50, 70, 90, 200. Let's see if I can make it as organized as it can be. You know me, this my channel is a messy channel, and if it's not messy, it's not me. So I just give you a heads up. So for these saving challenges, for this saving around the world, for March, it's going to be, oh sorry, for April, it's going to be Puerto Rico, and Glory of Glory's Budget is the one who made this saving challenge, and it's a roll and save one. So this is featuring Puerto Rico, her country of origin, and the total amount saved here is depends on how much you roll. There's 12 of us in this, there's 12 of us in this collaboration, and I will put it on the description box. If you want to get from January to December saving challenges, it's like a book. You can go to our Kopay shop, or you can go directly to Irene of Book and Budgets. She had the link for all these saving challenges, or you can go to my Kopay for my own month, which is July. Okay, I'm the one who do the Philippines or Filipinas. Okay, so let's roll and save, and let's get our okay. So for the first roll, so $2. Okay, I want to make it a little bit higher. Okay, let's go back to this. And I want a high amount. So what I'm going to do is I'll get the 10 much higher amount here. Okay, it's a 20-sided dice. This one. Okay, just roll here. I know it's for the. I always want a spicy saving challenge, and this is a long term saving. So let's do it spicy. Okay, so it's 5. Let's do 2. So 5. One more. So 5 again. So $10. And all the saving challenges, all the money is just I put it here all together. Okay, I just want to change this coin so that I can play with it. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 only. Okay, this 20, and this just exchange it, and this one change also. Let's consolidate this, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, next saving challenge is the group play. So for group play, what I have here is for it's Elaine Realize. This the last saving challenges I have from Elaine Realize, and I think I can finish it. I use this six-sided dice, D6. Let's do it. So 5, 5, 4, 6. So now 10. Let's finish this. I want to finish this. 5, 5 again, 10. And last one, 5. So from here, 5, 10, 20, 30, 35. And it's done. Yay, yay, yay. Let's ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. My bell. Okay. Let's see how much the total here. And the total money that I save in this challenge together with this one is 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96. Yay! $96. Yay, yay, yay. So, $96. These saving challenges will go to my collection of my completed saving challenge. And all the saving challenges, the completed one, I put it in here. See there? Okay, and this one, I need to write down how much I save here. 80, 90, 96. So that I will not make a mistake. Total here is $96. Yay! Okay. You know, Filipino, we always keep our tin cans and then we reuse it for something else. So this one is not chocolate. This is all the completed saving challenges. All right, and the next one is from Lil's Word. Party time. Okay. So this one is first quarter group play. This first quarter should be finished last month, but I didn't do it. So this one is a roll and save too. Let's roll and save. 1, 3, 1 again. Oh, 5. Let's do 2 row. 2, 2, 3, and 5. Okay, how much is it? 5, 10, 15, 20, $22. $22. Okay. I will go back here if I have still have money. This is from Lil's World. Okay, next one is from Miss L. Thomas. Build your community. This is a word search and I love word search, but I do an advanced searching because it takes time to search. So though all the pink color one is the one I found. So let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. Betty's budget with chuckles, mindful ladybug saves, budgeting April, overthinking and budgeting, Bookie's Mama budget, budget with budget with Fatima, Donna Joe, hi Donna, Golden Girl budget, Hot Miss budget, printable by Woods, and then Life with Crystal, Mischief Manage budget, Bettina Deville design, Roxas, I can read it, Rome's, Brian, 'Brian, 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 ' Bria Snyder. Okay, Bria Snyder, Saving with a Senior, Sunshine, and Chaos Budgeting. So, total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Should be 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah. Should be 20, but this one, Budget with Tiffany, I don't know if it's the real, the one I cross out. I think, I cross out here, here. Budgeting with Tiffany, but this one is Budget with Tiffany. So I count it also as one I cross out. So I will cross it out. So a total of 20, sorry, total of 20. And now, the total amount here is, hold on, 42. Okay, next one is from This and Less. It's called Not 9. So you have to roll 2 dice. Where's my other dice? Okay. You have to roll 2 dice and avoid 9. You have to avoid to dice 9. So if you dice 9, you have to go on this row. With dice 9, you have to stop and you cannot continue. So if you roll 2 to 8, you can save 5. It depends on how much your budget is. And for me, I like spicy. It is spicy. roll 10 to 12, you have to save 10. If you roll 9, you have to save 15. Okay. I didn't color it nicely last time, but let's see. Okay. Oops. Hang on. The 7. The 7 is $5. Again. So 10 is $10. So 15 now. 7 is $5. 6 is $5. Oh, you see 9? Oh my God, 9. So you have to go $15. So how much is my total save here? Let's see. Let's check. The should be last roll already, but I still got 9. So 15, 20, 25, 30. So $40. $40 here. Wow, that's a big amount. And the total amount saved in here was, let's see, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If you know me, I always fold my 100 like this. 110, 115. Okay, 115 so far. Yeah, saving little by little goes a long way. This is, and this one is from Bobby of Finance, Canadian Finance Journey. I always have a mistake there. And it's saving $25, I think. So I need to scratch this out to see, to reveal the amount. Oops, sorry. Noisy. Let's scratch. Which one, darling? Which one? Which one? Three. Three. So $2. So three, one, two, three. $1. So three. One. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's stop here. So total now is 2 plus 1, 3, 6, 8. And one more then. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So this one is 12. Total of $12. 12. And give me no change. That's the problem. No change. Let's go back so where I can change here. Give me 2, 10. So $12. 12 of 14, 8, 6, 8, 9. Yeah, $12. Okay, next one is from Miss Gracie of Grandma's Journey. So let's finish this side. This is I'll reallocate this money for my Christmas sinking fund. Okay, let's crush this. You don't need to roll the dice. Okay, it's 1 and it's 4. Hold on. So total of this one is 10, 20, yeah, 30, 32, 32. So total of this is 32, 30, and 1. So 32. Okay. So this saving challenge done. I'm still doubting myself. So 10, 20, 27, yeah, 32. So one challenge done. Ring the bell. My husband is sleeping, but I will ring the bell no matter what. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. My bell. I don't care. He's here and she's sleeping. Maybe later on he will do. He will. Uh, this is the only time that I have to film, and I can film. So I will just use the time. Okay. I'm filming it in our room, so keep it in here. And next one, I'm going to do this, or maybe because they still have a lot of in here, right? You see? Either this one or either this one. So I really like it. It's butterflies. So I will do next time this one to catch up. And I still have $50 here. So what I'm going to do is go back, not here, to Leo's world and finish this challenge. Okay, 532, April 3. So let's roll and save. 6, 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 2. So this two row is 8, 8, 10, 15, 20, 32. 32, so I need $18 change. But the thing is, I don't have a change. Let's go back to here, I think. No, I need to go back from somewhere to change this $50. Where I have to go back? Hmm, I think here. Yeah, 10, not 30, 50. Give me that $50. Okay. So 32, right? 32. So give me change. So let's change this $10 here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 32. Alright, and the total amount saved in here is 20, 40, 50, 54. Another saving challenge done. Ring the bell, ring the bell, my bell. So 54. Let's put 54 in here. Okay, let's see it. 54. And let's save it into my tin box container. Okay, I'll put it right here. So I still have some more, and I think I will go to, yeah, Bobby of Canadian Finance Journey. So I want to finish this. So to finish it, it's 25. So let's scratch this to make sure. 3, 6, 10, 13. So $13. Hmm. Let's change this into $1. Okay. So $13. So now it's 25 and it's done. Another ring the bell. Another ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. My bell. Okay, it's done. It's nearly full. And let's see. And I still have here how much? $7. Cross finger. I will not get IOU here. Let's do this. Let's guess which one. Valentine's? Oh, this one first. Happy New Year. Let's scratch this one. This is from Gracie of Miss Gracie of Grandma's Journey. Okay, $2. Let's scratch this one. Ah, $9. Wow, I only have $7. So I owe here $2. Okay. Not my luck. So I need to write down I owe you here, which is $2. Okay, this is I owe you sleep, and I owe here $2. So $200 saves today, and we completed some saving challenges. So that's it for now, ladies. That's it for now, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Love ya. Bye. Thank you very much. So much. So much. Thank you. Bye.